Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Wolsey and I am a top leader with AVON, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial. So I hope you're doing good. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I'm going to share that with you guys. Of course, you know I'm loving that vitamin C serum. It's giving me that brightness and treating those fine lines and wrinkles and helping balance that pH level. And then, of course, that brightening vitamin C serum. Good morning, Amanda. Did you know? And, oh, let me go ahead. And then I also use my illuminating priming lotion. Did you know that when you buy one of these products, one of these awesome products, you also get the warming peel for free? I love this warming peel. It's awesome. So you need to check that out. So I've already done all that good stuff this morning. We're going to go ahead and pop in with our VDL primer. Another fun fact is when you buy a VDL primer, you get a small travel size for free. Pretty good deal. I'm all about free. How about you? So what do you got going on in your life today? Anything fun, exciting? Not a lot going on here. We're still playing it on the down low. We actually went out to eat for the first time yesterday at a restaurant. It was nice. Cashmere Complexion in shade Cannoli. Haven't been to a restaurant we've ordered out and brought it home, but we haven't actually sat in a restaurant in, I would say, almost 3 months. Yeah, so it was pretty awesome to do that. I'm gonna pull this down here. Okay. So gonna take that Cashmere Complexion, and it has this cool little doe foot. You could actually use this doe foot to apply. Oh my goodness, I love that warming peel. I need another one. Plus I need some serum. See, there you go. You buy the serum and you get the warming peel for free. I love free. So cool. Hi Cindy, welcome in. I love it, and I love that they're giving you opportunity to try a new product for free too, right? So if you're getting that serum that you're loving, the results with fine lines and wrinkles has been amazing. Okay, I've got my beauty blender. It's been wet, so FYI, I had a customer who was trying to use it dry. She was like, I feel like I'm using a rock on my face. I was like, okay, here's the trick. Take your beauty blender when you get it, soak it in water, and wring it out, because that's going to make it softer and it's going to keep it from absorbing all of your product. We don't want it absorbing our product, right? And then I'm just gently patting it in to your skin. So here's another thing. If you are a swapper with your makeup, I want to give you a tip. Just pat it in. It's going to stay with you a lot longer. It's also going to give you a better finish. If you're swapping on your skin, then you're just doing this, then you're going to have swap marks. Not a fan of swap marks. Wish somebody would have told me that tip a long time ago. Okay, so we've patted in. What do you think? I think it's a go. I think we are good. Getting my hair done. Yay! I have not done that yet. I still can't decide if I want to cut my hair or if I want to let it keep growing. I don't know. Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha for our concealer. We're going to bring it down. What are you getting done? A color or a cut or both? Okay. There we go. We got that on there. My daughter saw my beauty blender yesterday. Thought it was an egg. Well, they kind of do look like an egg, don't they? Kind of. I can see where that can be confusing. It just doesn't crack like an egg. You're so welcome, Catherine. Okay, so we let that warm up on our skin. Give it just a second and let it warm up, and then you take your ring finger again and just pat, gently pat. Your ring finger is going to give you the least amount of pressure because it is your most gentle finger. That is why we wear our wedding rings on it. Did you know that? There's another tip. Okay. So we've got that all in. Good deal. Now, my favorite. Oh, you're getting both. She's like, I'm going all in. That's an eyelash in this eye, I think. Okay. My other favorite, Magix Dust. So what I'm seeing as I've been using that vitamin C more consistently is my face doesn't look as dull and dry, which is something that I was feeling probably because of being in the house with the air conditioner on all the time. I was feeling like my face was real dull looking. And so that vitamin C serum has definitely helped bring that skin brightness. I don't know if you can tell that, but I'm using that warming peel probably 3 times a week, like every third day, to take that dead skin off that your air conditioner circulating continually will create. And so when you buy that serum, you get that scrub for free. Can't beat that deal. With our Magix Dust, I just put it in here, and I'm just using it as a setting powder, finishing powder, loose powder, all of the above. And then that gives me that matte finish. I'm all about a matte look. Do you prefer a dewy look or a matte look? There's another question for you. Okay, so we've got that going now. It's here. Tattoo Station Eyebrow Pencil. Telling you guys, what are you waiting for? Why have you not put this in your order cart yet? You could get your vitamin C serum, you can get your free peel, and you can get your Tattoo Station eye pencil with this little cute spindle on the end. Okay, I didn't do my brows yesterday, and I felt like when I looked in the mirror, I was like, oh, girl, you look naked without your eyebrows done. Okay. So we are just following the lines. Has anybody had a eyebrow wax yet? That's something I'm needing. I have not ventured to do that. I did get a pedicure a couple weeks ago, or like last week, I think. It's like all of these things that are like guilty pleasures, right? I mean, I can do my own toes, I can paint my own nails. There is just something relaxing about getting that pedicure. Okay, see? I'm just filling in those brows. Nothing huge. Nothing. I love the Magix Dust too. It's my favorite. And the vitamin C serum. Okay, so what do you think? It makes a big difference if you just take a second, use that Tattoo Station. And the cool thing is it doesn't wipe off. So I'm all about that. Okay, so today, let me get your opinions. We can use one of the two. We have the new Mono Pop in Coral eyeshadow palette, or the Mono Pop in Brown. Which one do y'all want to use? Give me your opinions. Let me show you. Well, maybe I can show you both of them at the same time. Corals, browns, corals, browns. You guys know the browns has been a long time favorite. Matte with foundation and add a highlighter for a little shine. Yeah, we'll add a little highlighter here. Which one are we thinking? Corals. Amanda's like, let me see you use that corals. Okay, so let's pick up. I broke this. I love this color right here for your lighter shades. So I'm going to use those two. And we're going to cover the lid of the eyeshadow. Now you notice when I did that VDL primer, which again, you get the free travel size when you use that. I used it on my eyes too, just because, there we go. Just because I want my eyeshadow to stay in place for a lot longer. And so you can prime your eyes too, just like you're priming the rest of your face. Okay. So what I did was I used both of those shades first. I don't know if y'all seen that. And then I went back and just used this because I want a little bit of sparkle. Check in, no fallout. Yes, success. Okay, we're using our blending brush now. We are going to pick up this peachy up here and a little bit of this brown down here. Okay. On these, so we're going to start here in the middle of the eye and work that crease. Just bringing it up and in. If you tend to have a little bit of saggingness in the outsides of your eyes, you can just pull that skin a little bit as you're just kind of working it in. Notice again, I'm not swiping. I am just kind of working it back and forth. You can also use that patting motion here too. Okay, so again, the peach and the browns. And let's work this side. Start here in the middle and work it back. I tend to do one side of my eye differently than I do the other. I think it's because I'm right-handed. Yes, that actual highlighter will add a little bit of glow if you're wanting that glow. To me, a dewy finish makes my skin look oily. Some people, it doesn't bother them. They like that type of shine. Not really ever been my jam, and it may be just because I've been wearing makeup for a long time and I've not ever been a big fan of it. Okay, we're going to go in now and we're going to pull this pink and a little bit of this brown right here. And we're going to do this bottom part. And we're just going to blend it in to that crease and make it that full eye. Okay? Everybody needs a little pink in their life, right? Pink makes me happy. If you can't tell, pink is my color. I was looking, what was I doing? I was editing videos for YouTube. I take my videos here and I put them onto my YouTube channel, and I was editing and I was like, 5 days in a row you wore a pink shirt, Jennifer. 5 days. So I had to break it up a little bit. We're going to use our SuperExtend liquid liner. Yeah, if you haven't checked out my YouTube channel, you guys, it's Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, just like here. So be sure that you follow it, and you will see when I upload new videos. Okay. There we go. Lined, not lined. Eyeliner makes a huge difference in the way that your eyes pop. Hello, girlfriend. You done got out of the lines there. We'll let that dry just a second and I'll show you a little trick. A little trick. So if it's drying and you'll take a Q-tip, of course I'm gonna make it smear worse. I didn't let it dry good. So let's go for trick number 2. Take that beauty blender and we'll just pat it in. There we go. See, you can't even tell. Y'all can probably tell I can't. I don't have my glasses on. All right, we're gonna curl our lashes just because that's something I like to do. Our mascara doesn't require you to do it. I just like to give my lashes a little curl, especially since I've got all that extra length now, because I've been really diligently using my Ultimate Lash Serum to help lengthen my lashes and fill them in. I have hypothyroidism. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's an old person thing probably. When I had my boys, they made me have thyroid issues. And so I tend to lose lashes rapidly. I don't know why. And so that serum has helped them to fill back in and be thicker and longer, which I'm loving. Y'all, this Love Mascara, it does all the magic. Look at that. Look at that. Fun. Are you using Love Mascara? Do you love it? I have a parting of the lashes there we had to fix. I know I can't be the only person that holds my mouth like this whenever I do my mascara. Somebody give me an amen that you hold your mouth funky when you do your mascara too. Okay, we're going to use our Coral Cushion Foundation or blush. I'm just going to pop it open. This thing has lasted me forever. I think next time I'm going to get a pink color. Just pat it in, just like you did with that foundation. And it gives you that pretty rose color, just that little watercolor type look. Okay, so Amanda said, let's add some glow. So we're gonna take our illuminating stick and we're gonna just add a little bit of illumination. You can see it if the light is just right. You see where that is? Okay, we're not just gonna leave it. We're going to take our Beauty Blender and I'm going to blend it in. Blend, blend, blend. I'm just barely patting just to kind of spread it out a little bit. And as it warms up on your face, it's going to spread a little bit more too. And that way it's not just like a clear, distinct line. You've got it blended in a little bit better. Okay, so let's use Respect today in the Mattaitude color. You guys know I love a little Respect. There we go. And we're going to go over it with our new VDL Tint Bar. No, maybe not. Well, I don't think I have my color cube in here. Huh. Yep, there it is. Yeah, we'll add the color cube if you want that little bit of gloss look. I was doing a live and made a point not to make the face one. It's hard to not. And I do my makeup live almost every day, so it's hard not to. Okay, we're going to use our VDL cube over that Mattaitude and give it a little bit of a gloss look. I have the mint. You guys, this thing is awesome. It has a little bit of a plumper in it, so you're going to feel a little bit of a tingle. Oh, feels good. Has a little gloss look. We are ready to go. We have exciting things going on today. I have a live training with my team at 2 o'clock. Gonna work on growing our business. If you're looking for that opportunity and you haven't started your own AVON side gig, let me know. Let me hook you up and we will get you started. And like this video, share it. If you want to check out any of these products, you can do so at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks, Amanda. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.